on, guys? It's Raoul TV. Team R4UL absolutely knackered and tired, as you can tell, because the baby's here and everything, and you know the score, right? What we've got is an Audi A6 2007 Audi A6. Raoul TV, Team R4UL mobile. The window regulator is messed up on the driver's side front. We're gonna go ahead and replace that. Window regulator replacement, Raoul TV. Let's go. Right, the first thing what we're gonna do is where we're gonna start off is we're gonna take this little piece off. I think we're gonna take that off, basically pry that off. There we go, something's happening. Ta-da! We're gonna go ahead and take that screw off here, Phillips screw. Another one here. Is there another one on that side? Nothing on that side, so take them off. That one and that one. We'll see what happens after that. Okay, the next thing what I've done is I've took the cover off here. This cover off here, the tweeter cover. Take that off. There's another screw in there, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and undo that one. Phillips screw again. Okay, after we've taken that screw out, we're gonna go in there, and there's another screw in there, Phillips screw. You need a long screwdriver. Take that off. After we've taken that screw off, it's still in there, but it's off. I think the whole thing's moving, so I'm guessing we just give it a little pry. So I'm going to get a screwdriver, or if you've got a door trim remover or whatever you've got, a screwdriver underneath the door card. I don't know what this is. Take the switch off. Switch on the side. Yeah. Something's happening. I think it just lifts up. Like that. Okay, after that what we do is the cable, the door release cable, just going to pry that out from there, and then the hook out from there. Another wire there that goes onto that little tweeter there. Just take that off. Another plug there. Take that one off as well. You take that off. I need both hands on this one. We're going to push these clips down and then obviously take the plug off. And what we're going to do is we're going to go around to this little ECU box here, and obviously you can go taking these off, you know, the plugs and everything all the way around there, but it's all connected to this here. So we're just going to flick that purple switch over, that little clip, sorry, like that. Boom, that comes off. The whole door card moves out the way, and that's just part of it done. Okay, after that what we're going to do is, the next thing is all these little plugs here that goes onto the speaker here. These ones here goes onto this little speaker here. We're going to take all these off, move them out of the way. We're going to take the speaker off. I mean, we don't need to really take the speaker off. I don't think we do, but I think that we might actually. We're going to take all these little wires off. There we go, just like that. And another one there. If they don't pull off, you can just cut them off. There we go. There we go, that's out of the way. Next thing what we'll do is we'll take this speaker off, speaker unit off. Dead easy to take that speaker unit off. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, in order to take the speaker off, this big massive speaker, I'm pretty sure it's just these here. Torx 20, take that one off. This one off here. Another one down there. And just follow it all the way around. You'll see more screws underneath here. As you can see there, one there. And another one there. Should be one on the side, I think, yeah. Right there as well. Take them off, and this whole unit should come off, and we'll go from there. Right, the next thing what we'll do is we've took the speaker off, as you can see there. We will take the motor off. Torx 25. One there. Another one there. Another one here. If you want, you can go ahead and take the plug off as well, remove the motor totally. That's what I'm going to do. You don't have to, you can just leave it dangling on this side. It's entirely up to you. take them 3 off, we'll go from there. The next job for us is, as you can see here, these little clips are supposed to be holding this together. Okay, this little the rubber seal that goes around the door card and everything. So it's still stuck there, so we'll just give them a little pry, move them out of the way. Just like that. If they break, they break. Don't worry about it, we'll sort it out. There we go. If they don't break, then happy days. Just put them to the side. There we go. That's it, that's out of the way, that's separated. Next thing what we'll do is we'll take this off here. And this one off here, I think it's a Torx 45 or a Torx 50. I've been going 45. Let's take it off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this little box off here. This, oh, we're not going to take the box off, sorry. We're just going to take all these plugs off. So, that plug here, I mean, can't really get them wrong. That comes off. Go ahead and take that one off here, this little clip here. Push that back, and then press it here. That one should come off. Same with this one as well. Push that red clip back, and then press it here. That should come off as well. Should demonstrate. That's one. That's another one. Right, after that what we're going to do is we're going to take this soundproofing off. More than likely we'll have to take it off because I'm pretty sure there might be some bolts or something behind there. I've always started taking off on the top. Let's see if we can get to there. So yeah, I think there will be a bolt or something here, so we'll have to take that off. This side I think it's there. On this side I think it's there. So yeah, let's go ahead and take that soundproofing off and we'll see what's what. Right, what we're going to do next is, obviously I've took most of the soundproofing off. The one down here, I'm pretty sure it's that screw there. We'll have to take that screw off here. There's another screw on this side here. We're going to take these off here, this one, and this one. And I think we need to take that off as well. Yeah, more than likely we need to take that off as well. So let's go ahead and take them off. Torx 40 or 45 there. I think these are Torx 20 or 25. Let's take them off. Let's go. Sit rep, I've took all the screws off. I've even took this one off here, Torx 45. There's one in here, right there, as you can see there, Torx 45. Let's go ahead and take that off, and hopefully this whole glass, everything should lift off. I'm hoping it should. I don't want to take the outer skin off, but hopefully it should lift off. Let's go. Okay, after taking the one off on that side, on this side, just don't forget there's one on just below the wing mirror. I forgot myself, or I didn't even know. It's a hidden one behind the cover. So take that off, and hopefully this should come off now. There we go, ta-da! The whole panel is off, as you can see there. Sorry about the noise in the background. So there we go, the whole panel is off. Let's get to refitting. Okay guys, I've got the new one there. I haven't put it on, but just married it up. Make sure you marry it up, and make sure you go the right way. It is a little bit tricky. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the old mechanism off, which is this one. I think it's a Torx 30 on the glass here. Another one here. Take that off, remove that one. Right, okay, took the glass off by taking this one off, this one off. We're going to take the mechanism off here now. Torx 25 or 30, this one and this one. Let's go. Okay guys, I've got the glass and window back in there. I'll be straight up honest with you. Not for the faint-hearted. To take it off, obviously, just comes straight off. To get it back on, to line everything up, I'll be honest with you, is not the easiest in the world. Right, so yeah, just bear that in mind. I've got the motor back on, just clicked it back on. 3 Torx there. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the bolts back on in reverse order. All the big bolts here, the little Torx there. Every single bolt that we took off, I'm going to get them on first. Don't go tightening them up. Get everything on first, and then we'll tighten it up. Try it, see if it works, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've got all these little screws on, the bolts and everything back on. These on the bottom here, the one on this side, the one on that side as well, the one here, the one inside there. But everything is back on. What we're going to do now is we're gonna go ahead and tighten them all up, and then put the wires on and try the mechanism, see if it works. Happy days, it should be alright. If it does, let's go. guys, that's it, job done. We've done the Audi A6, my Audi A6 window regulator. I'm sorry if I couldn't show you all the steps properly, because some of the steps I needed to get both hands in there, and it was really hard to, you know, place it and line everything up, and, you know, yeah, not the easiest job in the world. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out, gives you a little outline, a little guide in how to replace the window regulator on an Audi A6 2007, that is, Audi A6, the B6, I think, yeah. And yeah, anyway, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.